Welcome. I am Aditya Iyer. This is our experiment OpenSet multi-source multi-target domain adaptation. Most of the deep learning methods assume that training data distribution is the same as test data distribution. In unsupervised domain adaptation, we have a labeled source data and unlabeled target data coming from different distributions. The goal of unsupervised domain adaptation is to overcome the domain gap and perform well on both the labeled source and unlabeled target data. Current domain adaptation settings in the literature based on the number of domains include single source single target, multi-source single target, single source multi-target, multi-source multi-target domain adaptation. Based on the label set include closed set DA, in which source domain and target domain share the same label set. Open set DA, where the target domain consists some additional labels along with the labels of the source domain. This setting is the most commonly observed real-world setting. These settings, while fundamental in itself in the field of domain adaptation, have their unique set of limitations. We attempt to alleviate this with a more general setting suitable for deployment in real-world applications. Our contribution is a new domain adaptation setting, OpenSet multi-source multi-target unsupervised domain adaptation, which models the real world more closely than existing models. As it suggests, multiple sources and multiple target domains will be utilized for adaptation. It also takes into account the fact that target domain may have some unknown or new labels. We also propose a solution for this novel setting, leveraging the use of graph neural networks with attentional aggregation and domain embedding, which is commonly used in domain generalization. This setting has direct applications in the field of autonomous systems, specifically self-driving cars, robot locomotion, and consumer robots such as iRobot. Our architecture proposes a three-stage process. Stage 1 is the warm-up stage and domain embedding generation stage. In this stage, the backbone is trained in a supervised fashion with the coarse images and labels. This stage also includes extracting the domain embeddings corresponding to each domain using the kernel mean embeddings. Stage 2 is the pseudo-labeling stage for generating tentative labels for target domain images. This method uses local outlier factor algorithm, which separates the classes common in source and target domain and unknown classes separately. Stage 3 is the domain adaptation stage, which includes the graph attentional aggregation mechanism along with the domain embedding, which runs iteratively with the pseudo-labeling stage to obtain the best set of labels for images in the target domain. Thanks for watching.